Hey guys, Keithy6 here from Metal Detecting in Alaska. This last Christmas, for one of my presents, I got a GoPro 7 White. And I've been using it and kind of enjoying it. And then the other day, it just would not turn on. It won't charge. So it looks like I'm going to have to try to send it back to GoPro. Let me tell you, they did a really great job. I don't even have to pay for shipping. So anyways, I'm about to box that thing up and send it back, and I'm curious to see how this turns out. So if you've bought a GoPro 7 White or a silver, you may have the same problem because the batteries won't come out. So anyways, let's box this thing up. Now, so here's my GoPro 7 White. Let's go ahead and just roll this baby up in some bubble wrap. Alright, so I've got this all boxed up and ready, and I'm curious to see how long it takes and what I get back. Wish me luck.